northern capital of Russia, St. Petersburg, continues to survive in the face of bad weather and the power of Cyclone Benedict. During the night, a third of the monthly snowfall fell in the city, which is why the city drowned in 10-point traffic jams. In the past day alone, more snow has been removed from the streets of St. Petersburg than in the entire last week. Dozens of accidents happen on the streets of the city almost every minute. Due to the large amount of precipitation, motorists were even asked to abandon the use of personal vehicles so that the cleaning equipment could clear the roads as quickly as possible. According to forecasters, the snow will continue to fall in the city tomorrow on December 1st.